guys, and welcome to another vlog. This one will be a little bit different than the ones we film currently, as we're not really planning to do any big projects. It's just going to be a cozy autumnal vlog. Francesca, I just don't know how to run away from you. It will be a cozy autumnal vlog on doing some baking. Since we moved into the house, I have done a deep dive into sourdough baking and it's actually going okay now, and I'm so excited. Currently I've been doing a lot of sandwich loaves and even tried croissants, so I'll film some of that as well. And then just some decorations. I've bought some flowers, we've picked some pumpkins now. And what else? Yes, some planting. We've been doing our autumnal planting, which is the cabbage, the garlics and onions. I cannot run away from this chicken. She's following me everywhere. Oh my god. My neighbors are probably thinking, is she okay? She's running with a phone in her hand, followed by a big white chicken. But yeah, so we've been doing some autumnal planting, just tidying up the garden for winter, and then we're planning a little trip to the seaside to see my family, so that will be really nice. It's just a weekend, but I will show you a little bit of what we are up to. It's gorgeous. The weather's been really nice and sunny. It is cooler now. We've been lighting the fire, which is just super cozy, but it's still sunny every day. It's the perfect golden autumn. I'm very excited for this one. We also have some reno projects coming, but we're not quite sure. We've ordered the doors and we might do the hallway sooner than we thought, but I'll speak more on that when it's sure. But yeah, hope you enjoy, and I will continue running away from this chicken. She even comes and knocks on the door now. Anyway, hope you enjoy, guys. So, we're making the sourdough croissants. Kai just woke up. I was trying to make them when he was asleep, but I got carried away with the bookshelf, so now we're gonna make them together. I have a very active starter. You can see when I fed it this morning around 9 o'clock. It was up to the elastic band and now it's over doubled, so it's perfect to use now. Mixing the water and starter. Now we mix and then we need to knead it for like 5 to 8 minutes. Once you finish kneading, you just put some plastic wrap on top of it and you let it proof for 4 to 5 hours. I think today will be more on the 5 side since it's a cooler day. And then once that's done, pop it in the fridge overnight, and then tomorrow morning we start laminating, which is where the magic happens. So I'll see you in half an hour. We're gonna go for a little walk now. It's a beautiful day outside. I'll just show you quickly. We're starting to prepare for winter now, and we got a bunch of, let me get them, all year round onion here. So we're gonna plant those where in the shady spot where the carrots didn't survive.
Hopefully the onions will survive.
Hopefully the onions will be fine. And hopefully we'll have onions all year round. So it will be onions, cabbages and pumpkins here from the bay. After the peppers, the tomatoes and the aubergines were gone.
It's been a while since I left. Nobody knows where I went, but I think I found my place. Don't worry, I'm doing just fine out in the islands where the time goes a little more my pace. I've been floating coast to coast, Bahamas to Puerto Rico. It don't matter if I'm lost because I know when I'm with you I'm home. When I'm with you I'm home. Just riding waves cause I know no matter where the tide goes, the sun is on my face. Searching for treasures in my mind, I know I'll find it cause the islands are showing me the way.
We don't think that it's gonna be enough for winter when we pick up the cabbage, so we planted what, 3-4 more lines, and then we had some garlic growing already, and we'll plant some more winter garlic here, like 2 lines maybe. Starting the winter garden up. So excited for the pickled cabbage. There's so many Bulgarian traditional winter dishes with pickled cabbage. You got sarmi, kapama, and they're delicious. So very excited for the cabbage. It's back to being a beautiful morning. It's a little bit chilly. We're making most of the still wet soil, and we're gonna plant some lettuce. And we got some seeds here, and I think our cabbages from yesterday have caught. We'll see, but these ones are doing great. We have quite a few formed cabbages now there. That one is pretty big. And then we have the garlic and the onions, so we'll see how those do. We need to pick some more tomatoes today as well, and I tried to pick some walnuts. We actually have quite a few nice walnuts here, and over there we have at the back as well. So I'll just get my basket and come and look for walnuts. Here we go. Afternoon Kirill is putting the fire on, and I will decorate a little bit with some little autumnal touches. Let's get to it. Many ways it's different to our usual village life content, but we are in Nessebar for the weekend with my parents, so we thought we'll just film because it's beautiful. It's one of our favorite places here, isn't it? Towards the Bulgar side, and it's really pretty. It's calm now because it's out of season, and it's cool. It's a cool day.
It's a cold day.
Cold day. Oh, I thought you weren't cold.
Not cold. It's sunny.
Colder day, but it's sunny, and yeah, it's really, really
There's boats.
pretty. Grandparents around is also handy. Buy anything. I think the belts for Kirill didn't have sizes. A lot of the shops are closed now, but it was still a very nice walk. We had some fresh seafood. There was a seafood market today, which was a nice surprise. So yeah, we're off to Sveti Vlas now. Just have another walk, grab a coffee at this Spanish place my dad recommended, and then we're going back. I think we was going fishing. Or Sandglass, and it's really nice. It's really calm for a walk now, out of season. Pretty much everything is closed. They have a lot of shops, restaurants, cafes and things like that, which are not working at the moment, but it's still a nice walk for us. Do you like it here? You wish. Yeah, they got some nice boats. Right, you like the boats? It's quite windy, you might not hear anything, but I love the flowers. What I do is I walk around and I take pictures of flowers that I like for inspiration for our front garden, which I'm hoping to work on for next spring. I love the plants. They got so many butterflies. They're so pretty. We are back from the seaside and the temperatures have dropped quite a bit, hasn't it?
First frost a couple of days ago, and a lot of the plants now, the tomatoes, the peppers, the aubergine, they all got, I think it's what's it called, frostbite. They're starting to die, the leaves are starting to die off. But it's quite late in the season now anyway.
Yeah,
quite
end of
lucky
October.
to have what we have now.
Yeah. So I thought I would just film this quickly because to kind of capture the end of the season. It's sad, but it's also, you know, what's got to happen, and we can use some of those beds for more. You got a pepper for more cabbages because we'll need that in winter. It's a big pepper. Well done, Baba. I will turn you around and show you what happened and how the garden is looking after the frostbite. So this is the sweet peppers now. We're just picking. We still have quite a lot, as you can see, but we're just picking them. We've picked this bed already, and then the pumpkins. We think it should be okay. We don't have lots of pumpkins anyway. I think we have 3 nice ones here. That one's a bad one. That one's probably alright. And this one, we don't. It's a hybrid of a, yeah. So we don't know. Yeah, we don't know what's gonna happen with that one. But and then we have 2 there. So we're just gonna leave them. Sweet potato looks dead, and we just took them out. And they're really small, so we might them more. We might not have any. And then Ori joined the party. And then you want to film it? Let's film it together. And then tomatoes are also gone. Morning, everyone. I just realized I didn't end the last vlog, so I'll end it now and start editing as it's Monday. We are currently on a little walk around the garden picking walnuts because we have a lot. So I just try to do a little bit every morning. Look how empty the garden looks without the tomatoes, and the flowers are beautiful still. We're gonna keep seeds and plant them at the front, and then we need to take out all the peppers today as well. But I'm making this long again. See you in the next vlog. I hope you enjoy. It was a bit of a random one, but I hope you enjoy it anyway, and see you in the next one. Bye. Say bye, Kai. Kasi ciao.